Are you looking to buy a home in Los Angeles? Have you ever wondered how much home you can afford? Well, here's the info you've been looking for. Hi, I'm Carolyn Alverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate. Let's break it down for you. Number one, calculate your budget. Use the 28-36 rule to figure out your maximum budget. Don't spend more than 28% of your gross monthly income on housing costs. Number two, consider your income. To afford a $500,000 home with a 10% down, you'll need an annual income of around $121,000. Number three, use tools. Online calculators can help. Factor in your income, debts, and down payment to get a precise estimate. Number four, LA specifics. In LA, where prices are high, your budget might stretch further with the competitive mortgage rates and different loan options. And number five, consult expert. A mortgage broker and a good real estate agent can guide you through options tailored for your financial situation. If you're ready to find your home in LA, give me a call. I will help you navigate you through your most important process. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.